Get ready for legal dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Every such action may be informed by reason, and if follows that an act uninformed by reason is arbitrary, the rule of law contemplates governance by law and not by honor, whim or caprice of the man to whom the governance is entrusted for the time being. Stop. It is the trite law that be you ever so high, the laws are above you. Stop. This is what a man in power must remember always. Stop. Para. In Life Insurance Corporation of India versus Consumer Education and Research Center, 1995 to SCC 480, the Apex Court observed that the state or its instrumentality must not take any irrelevant or irrational factor into consideration or appear arbitrary in its decision. Stop. Duty to act fairly is part of fair procedure envisaged under Articles 14 and 21. Stop. Every activity of the public authority or those under public duty must be received and guided by the public interest. Stop. Same view has been reiterated by the Apex Court in Mahesh Chandra versus Regional Manager, UP Financial Corporation and others, AIR 1993 SC 935 and Union of India versus ML Kapoor, AIR 1974 SC 87. Stop. Para. In State of West Bengal versus Atul Krishna Saha and others, 1991 1 SCC 414, the Apex Court observed that giving of reasons is an essential element of administration of justice. Stop. A right to reason is, therefore, an indispensable part of sound system of judicial review. Stop. Para. In SN Mukherjee versus Union of India, AIR 1990 SC 1984, it has been held that the object underlying the rules of natural justice is to prevent miscarriage of justice and secure fair play in action. Stop. The expanding horizon of the principles of natural justice provides for requirement to record reasons as it is now recorded as one of the principles of natural justice, and it was held in the above case that except in cases where the requirement to record reasons is expressly or by necessary implication dispensed with, the authority must record reasons for its decision. Stop. Para. In Krishna Swamy versus Union of India and others, AIR 1993 SC 1407, the Apex Court observed that the rule of law requires that any action or decision of a statutory or public authority must be founded on the reason stated in the order or borne out from the record. Stop. The court further observed that reasons are the links between the material, the foundation for these erection and the actual conclusions. Stop. They would also administer how the mind of the maker was activated and actuated, and their rational nexus and synthesis with the facts considered and the conclusion reached. Stop. Lest it may not be arbitrary, unfair and unjust, violation Article 14 or unfair procedure offending Article 21. Stop. Para. Similar view has been taken by the Apex Court in Institute of Charter Accounts of India versus L.K. Ratna and others, 1986 4 SCC 537, Board of Trustees of the Port of Bombay versus Dilip Kumar and others, AIR 1983 SC 109. Stop.